Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can change file type extension on iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your Files app on your phone. And after opening it, here you can see these are some recent files. And the first thing that you can do is tap on the three dot bar that you can see in the top right corner right here. And after tapping on it, now you have to tap on View Options. And now in here, you have to now tap on the Show All File Names extension toggle button just like this. Here you can see now all of your file names extensions will be shown. And when you're done with it, you can tap on the Done option right here. Here you can see now we can see the extension name of all of our files. So in order to change the file type, what you're going to do is long press on your document like this. Now in here, now you can tap on rename. And in here now you can see it is .pdf right now. You can like select the extension of your type, like change it into like whatever you want, like .doc you can say. And when you're done with it, you can tap on the done option on your keyboard like this. And in here you can see there is the option of are you sure? You have to tap on use .doc like this. And now in here you can see your file type extension has been changed. And that is it. That is how you can change your file type extension on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.